friends, welcome back to the my new video and my YouTube channel guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how to use screen recording setting in a Realme phone. And guys in this video friends I will show you guys how can you shoot video in your Realme phone is by screen recording friends. How can you use it? So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys if you're in my channel, so when first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends you can see guys swipe up and guys you can see guys your screen recording setting. First of all guys we will on it. So friends, you want to on, friends, you can on guys, you can see the right option guys, tap here to record something in your phone. So if you want to record something in your phone, you can record from here guys. So now we will record something like the setting option. And guys you want to pause, so you can pause and guys come back, and guys you want to record something else, you can see guys video has paused. And now you want to record something else, so as you can record from it, like example who sound and versus setting guys. And guys now we will again on it continue. So friends you can on use like that. Again pause and guys save. You want to save guys, tap here and guys tap here to check your screen recording, how to record it phone. So you can see guys you can record something in your phone like that, and guys you can use it from here. You want to add it, delete, more option settings, and guys you can see sound is not, you can on guys sound and off from here. So like that guys you can use guys your screen recording setting, and guys you want to shoot video in your phone, so you can shoot video like that in your phone, in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel, and guys sorry for this sound guys, ignore this sound. Bye friends, thanks for watching.